Imagine this, you're in a 250 square feet studio apartment, the kind where your bed doubles as a couch and the kitchen counter is basically a cutting board on life support. You're staring at a sink overflowing with last night's takeout containers. Greasy lo mein clinging to plastic forks. Baby bottles crusted with formula that could double as cement, and 3 wine glasses from that impromptu Netflix binge that turned into a 2 a.m. one more episode spiral. Hand washing? In this economy? With water bills climbing and your sanity on life support? Absolutely not. Enter this Midea Tabletop Countertop Portable Dishwasher. The sleek, midnight black 6-place setting hero that's Energy Star certified, armed with 8 washing programs, and capable of turning utter chaos into sparkling, bone-dry clean in under 45 minutes flat. I've lived with this compact dishwasher for 3 full months in my dorm-turned-home office hybrid, and let me be crystal clear, it's not just a gadget. It's a full-blown lifestyle upgrade for anyone dodging the drama, expense, and square footage of full-size appliances. Let me paint the picture in high def. Before Midea, my countertop was a certified war zone. Plates piled so high they threatened structural collapse, 0 room left for chopping veggies or rolling out pizza dough, and that lingering odor of day-old curry? Straight up gross. This portable dishwasher for apartment glides right under my upper cabinet or hooks directly to the faucet in 5 minutes flat. No plumber, no drilling, no awkward landlord negotiations. At a trim 18 inches wide and weighing less than a microwave, it's tailor-made for RVs, houseboats, off-grid cabins, or that cozy 2-person household where every inch of space is pure gold. And yes, if you unbox it and spot a puddle inside, breathe easy. That's just residual water from rigorous factory testing, not a defect. Midea's got your back. What hooked me first and still blows my mind daily are the 8 washing cycles that feel like they read my chaotic little mind. Heavy. A 154 degrees Fahrenheit steam blasting inferno paired with 360 degrees spiral spray arms that obliterate stubborn lasagna pans, baked on cheese, and that mystery crust on your cast iron skillet. 0 pre-scrubbing required. Speed. A 45-minute miracle for multi-round dinner parties. Guzzling a laughably low 2.77 gallons of water. Lower bills, instant bragging rights to baby care. High-temp sanitization that nukes 99.9% of bacteria on bottles, pacifiers, and pump parts. New parents. This is your holy grail to ECO. Whisper gentle on the planet, ferocious on everyday grime, using minimal water and power. Glass. Delicate yet thorough, leaving stemware and mason jars crystal clear with 0 water spots. Plus 3 bonus cycles exclusive to Midea's compact line. Mini party for quick appetizer plate refreshes. Rinse for a pre-wash. Holdover and an extra dry function that banishes droplets like they owe it money. This Energy Star portable dishwasher isn't just efficient, it's a stealth wealth machine. My electric bill dropped a very noticeable $12 a month, and water usage? Slashed by a whopping 70% compared to my old hand-washing marathons. Yes, I timed it. The matte black finish repels fingerprints like oil on water, blending seamlessly into Scandi chic kitchens or vanishing ninja style on cluttered counters when guests pop by unannounced. Why bulleted benefits keep me borderline obsessed, and will hook you 2.0 installation nightmares. Included faucet adapter snaps on in seconds. Plug, fill, roll. Will it into a closet when companies over. Whisper quiet operation. Peaks at 52 dB, quieter than my pour-over coffee ritual. Run it mid-zoom without muting yourself. Sparkling results every single time. Dual high-pressure rotating nozzles hit every angle. The extra dry heat cycle leaves 0 droplets, even on plastic lids. Versatile for real, messy life. 6-place settings swallow full meals for 2 to 3 people plus pots, pans, and that rogue air fryer basket. Dorm students cramming for finals, RV road trippers chasing sunsets, tiny home minimalists embracing less. Is this your jam? 100% built-in safety smarts. Child lock, overflow leak sensor, auto shut-off, and a stainless steel tub that laughs at rust. Peace of mind in a compact box. Real talk testing because specs are cute, but results are king. I stress-tested this bad boy like a mad scientist. Greasy air fryer baskets post-wing night apocalypse? Heavy mode annihilated them in 69 minutes flat. Delicate champagne flutes from a rooftop toast? Glass cycle delivered flawless, streak-free shine. Rushed post-brunch cleanup for 6? Speed Cycle had everything party-ready before the Uber Eats driver even rang the bell. My roommate's infamous, forgotten Tupperware, left festering for 3 days, emerged odor-free and practically sterile. Eco-warriors rejoice. The Eco mode pairs perfectly with biodegradable pods and still powers through oatmeal residue. And that baby care cycle? My sister's Midea bottles came out hospital-grade sanitized. She actually texted me a crying, laughing emoji. But here's the curiosity spark that keeps me up at night. What if your sink could officially retire? This dishwasher frees 3 to 5 hours weekly. Time you can pour into side hustles, yoga flows, or guilt-free binge watching. Case in point, I hosted a 10-person taco night on a random Tuesday. Between rounds of carnitas and margaritas, the Speed Cycle refreshed plates so fast my guests thought I had a secret butler. Pure magic. Deep dive insights no reviewer dares share. Until now, pro tip. Add a capful of Finish Rinse Aid in hard water zones. 0 spots on glassware, even after the glass cycle. Game changer. Hidden gem. The 1 to 24-hour delayed start lets you load at 11 p.m., wake to spotless dishes and 0 morning chaos. Durability check. Stainless steel interior shrugs off stains. I've accidentally dropped forks mid-load. No dents, no drama. Comparison win versus pricier countertop brands. I'm looking at you. $500 plus models. Midea beats them in cycle speed, water savings, and decibel levels. Full-size built-ins? Total overkill for singles, couples, or anyone under 800 SQ foot pod hacks. Finish quantum tabs fit perfectly. For powder fans, the dispenser is spill-proof and adjustable. Capacity ninja moves. Angle large cutting boards diagonally. Fits a 10-inch skillet plus full dinner service. Filter maintenance. Rinse the triple filter monthly under the faucet. Takes 30 seconds. Keeps performance peak. Let's talk numbers for the data nerds. 6 place settings equals 6 dinner plates, 6 salad plates, 6 bowls, 6 cups, plus silverware tray. Translation. A full Indian thali spread, a sushi night for 4 or Thanksgiving sides for 2 done. The upper rack adjusts for tall mugs. The lower rack's tines fold flat for stock pots. And at 2.4 cubic feet internal volume, it punches way above its weight class. Still on the fence? Picture this. It's 7 p.m., you're exhausted from work, and the idea of scrubbing pans feels like a personal attack. Instead, you load the Midea, hit speed, and 45 minutes later you're sipping wine on the couch while it hums quieter than your fridge. That's not convenience, that's freedom. Potential buyers, ask yourself 3 quick questions. 1. Do you dread dishpan hands, cracked cuticles, and sky-high water bills? 2. Is your living space under 600 square feet, on wheels, or shared with roommates who forget to clean? 3. Do you crave restaurant-grade clean without renovating your life? If you nodded yes to any, this dishwasher for dorm RV apartment is your non-negotiable upgrade. It's not a luxury. It's a necessity disguised as pure convenience. Ready to ditch the sponge life forever and reclaim your counter and your evenings? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, customer photos, and current deals. Stock dips fast around holidays. Grab yours before hosting season hits. Your future self and that pristine, odor-free kitchen will thank you profusely. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more no BS reviews like this one. Drop a comment below. What's the grossest thing you've ever left in the sink? Let's laugh and then never do it again. See you in the next one.